Ollie, do you want to go for a car ride? Car ride? Yeah. Ollie, go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? That's good boy. Yeah. Puppy dog. Puppy dog. Puppy dog. Puppy dog. Dobby. Go. Where's Munchie? Where's Munchie? So Bree, are we gonna go to Thanksgiving tomorrow? Are we gonna go up to your nana and your puppies and your boyfriend's house and you get to see KJ and Bo and Granny, Grandpa? Who's gonna be up there? And you're gonna get to see Tasha. You have lots of turkey.
Do you want a treat? Does Lila want a treat? Want some beef jerky? You want a snack?
Gia, do you want to go to the park? Yeah? Are we going to go to the park? Yeah? What about, do you want to go swimming? You want to go to the beach? Yeah? Oh, what about the mountains? Do you want to go to the mountains? Yeah? What about the park? Do you want to go to the park?
So tell me about your day, boy. Huh? Tell me, was it a good day? Did you have fun when we went on a walk? Yeah? Did you work up a good appetite? Huh? Yeah? Ready some food? Yummy food. Ready to see mommy? Mommy's coming home soon.
Allez bébé, voulez-vous avoir des kikis? On va-tu manger des kikis? On va peut-être aller faire les pipis dehors. Ou aller prendre une marche. On va aller manger d'autres kikis après. Puis on va aller boire de l'eau. On va aller manger. Puis on va aller dehors. Puis on va encore manger des kikis.
Hey Tess, you wanna go for a ride? You wanna go bye-bye? You wanna go get something to eat? You wanna go for a drive? You wanna go bye-bye, puppy?
Doing? You guys want to go for a ride? Mabel, what do you want to do? Do you want to go for a ride or you want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Or do you want to go to bed? You want to go to bed? Maybe you can go for a ride. You want to go for a ride? Let's go for a ride. Let's go for a walk to the dog park, okay? Okay, let's go.